Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So if you watch any of those chiropractor videos, you know the tools that they have to help them out to give relief to a lot of these patients. Now, one of the things is one of those massage guns. Now, I've reviewed a few of these in the past before, and some of them are pretty decent size, but they do work really well. Well, this one right here by Bob and Brad is great because not only is it super compact, it has a bunch of different heads on it and can provide plenty of relief with different modes. So easy to use and actually really powerful.
So the Bob and Brad massager comes actually with a really nice looking travel case. Everything is separated out and has its own little compartments, which makes it great. You don't have to worry about things moving around. Has a awesome getting started guide in a bunch of different languages, talks about all the different heads, accessories, and just how to do a couple different types of massages with those different types of heads. Here also, this is called the ball head. It's almost like a hard foam, which is used for a bunch of different types of massages. Some, I think you use it on abs and some chest area. This one here is called a bullet head, which is almost like a hard plastic for really some of that deep penetration. The next one is called the flathead massager. And again, you can see in the instruction guide some of these sample massages that these heads would be good for. This one is the fork head. And then the final one is the air cushion head, which does have some like almost like a spring pushback on that, which I really like and tend to use a lot just because I feel like you can do a lot of different types of massages with that one. And here is the actual unit. Fits great into your hand, really well designed.
Look at that setup. So it fits perfect in my hand there. So easy to use. We got this little adapter, easy enough to take it on and off, switch it out. The best thing really is the size, because the other one that I have that I've tested is probably twice the size of this. And you're like, well, it's twice the size, it's probably more powerful, right? This one's pretty powerful, especially when you get going and you put some of your own weight on it. The motor is really strong. It's a really well-built product, and I just love not only the versatility of it, the power of it, but then the portability of it is just great. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on real quick, hold it in. You can see that starting to go there, how that's moving up and down. You can see how that's gonna massage it. And if we want to, I can go ahead and change the speed of it. I mean, that is really good. So if you're going to the gym or traveling, anything, and you need a quick massage for some relief, you could just do it wherever you need to. Make sure I don't hit a bone or anything, because that would hurt, especially with some of those hard plastic tips. But I mean, this is great. I love this, and it fits really great in my hand. Super easy to use, move around. Someone else could do it right on your back, but overall, a really great product. There's 4 or 5 different modes there that you could switch through, and then you have the USB port there on the bottom with the included USB cable. So there's a USB-C cable, but overall, this product is great. Anyone that does any type of exercise, doing work outside, and is looking for something that is affordable, well built, and easy to use, I would highly recommend checking out this Bob and Brad hand therapy massager. Let me just go ahead and show you real quick what one of these other adapters look like. So we have this one here. Put that on. We took that out. Let's hold it down, start it up. You can see that going. Pretty cool. Look at that. Check that out. How awesome is that? And like I said, these different adapters, 4 or 5. These different adapters, they're all for different types of relief in different areas. So you're going to want to read through that to figure out which is going to be the best for which area on your body. But plenty of power, plenty of massage strength right in this little device that you will probably love too. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.